Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have managed server or owner access. That saves time. Open the Discord developer portal and pick your application, then go to OAuth 2. Once there, select the bot scope immediately so Discord shows permission options. Make sure to choose only necessary permissions to follow least privilege. This reduces risk. After selecting a baseline, pause and review which permissions your code actually needs versus what a human admin might expect. You now customize permissions in the bot permissions area, toggle send messages, manage roles, manage channels, or read message history depending on features. Avoid administrator unless essential. Granular permissions are safer and easier to audit. Once done, scroll down and copy the generated invite URL. It encodes the scope and permission integer. Paste that into your browser, select the server to add the bot, and authorize. If you change features later, regenerate the URL with updated permissions. After inviting, go to server settings and then roles to locate the bot role. Drag it above any roles the bot needs to manage, because role hierarchy enforces what it can do. Once done, check channel overrides to allow or deny actions per channel. This is how you limit fan-out. Test key features such as moderating messages or assigning roles. If something fails, review role position and channel overrides first. A common fix is moving the bot role higher or retoggling a permission.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.